Hello friends, welcome to Viva World. Today we're going to make something with my favorite fruit in the world called banana. Yes, today we're going to be doing another type of video today. From all the other ones, we're going to be cooking. It's the first time. So we are going to make a milkshake. Yes, it's very hot here as you can see. So we decided to make a milkshake that it will be so refreshing. You kids can make this on their own, but you need your parents' supervision just a little bit because for blending the milkshake and also cutting the bananas for you. So let's get started. Yes, I personally don't like banana, but when my mother makes it into a milkshake, I love it. So let's start. Take a mixie jar and put the frozen milk into it. Now we put the frozen milk in. So the next step is to put all of your banana. Yes, this is one banana. We slice it into pieces. Then we have to put it. Can I put it in? Yes. Everyone's favorite fruit. So now we put the banana and also the frozen milk inside the mixie jar. Next we need to put the cashew nut in. We'll just put some in. Like some. Like I told, it will give the milkshake a creamy feeling. A creamy texture. Yes. So now we're just going to put some in. Next we will need some sugar. We need 2 tablespoons sugar. So we're just going to put. I'll put the other one. Okay. Okay, the other tablespoon sugar. Okay. Now, next we are going to put 2 tablespoons boost. One and 2. So next we are going to blend it up. This part we are going to give it to our mother. She will blend it up and come here. So let's see you after it's blended. So our milkshake is all blended up. Let's see the taste. Let's pour it in the glass slowly. I think it's going to be very good. If you think it's good, like, share and subscribe to the channel. We poured it in our cups. Now for decoration you can also add some boost on top. You'll add one. You'll add one for one cup. Too crunchy. Yep. So next you can also put some cashew nut for decoration. I'll just even some we mean like one. So that's it. So milkshake is ready. So let's try a milkshake out. It's so hot here. It's going to be very refreshing. So let's try it out. This milkshake is so yummy. We love the taste. Like I told at the first, I don't like banana, but this milkshake is just superb. So you have to try this out. It will be super refreshing to drink this. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like and share this video. Bye! I want some blueberries. Thank you. My milkshake is on. I have a milkshake mustache. You have milkshake mustache. So our milkshake is all blended up.
And